Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit 4-wheel drive. Stock number E2193P. 56,000 miles on this Grand Cherokee. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Brilliant black in color. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. It's a very safe vehicle. It's advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, along with front and rear parking sensors, giving it a front and side government crash rating of 5 stars. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with a removable privacy cover. Hooks on both sides. Perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Summit has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, that's also where you set the adaptive cruise control. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as ventilated seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Dual zone automatic temperature control. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. 8-speed automatic transmission. 4-wheel drive select, along with 4 corners air suspension, allowing you to raise and lower the entire vehicle. Great for better off-road capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box. Overhead auto-dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, power liftgate, moonroof, and sunshade control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3-liter turbo diesel, 240 horsepower, 420 pound-feet of torque, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles per gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway. All that with new tires. For more information on this Grand Cherokee, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.